Hi, welcome to Recipecheckr. I'm Sunder. Today I have in the menu one of the very popular South Indian delicacy, Vathal Kuzhambu. So Vatha Kulambu naturally is made as a base from tamarind pulp and it has a higher shelf life. And Vathal means it is basically a sun-dried vegetable. So you can make it with sun-dried Sundakkai Vathal, which is basically the turkey berry, or you can even make a sun-dried lady's finger. And it has a two-stage process. Please come with me, I'll take you through the ingredients which is required for it. First, I'm going to make a paste, a wet paste, which is the basic masala paste required to make Vatha Kulambu. On stage 2, I'm going to combine all the other ingredients and make as a dish. I'm going to make the paste now. I'm going to take around about 1.5 tablespoons of oil in a hot pan. I've added half the ingredients, including the coriander seeds, and in a mild, probably about medium flame, I'm just sauteing it. Adding about 10 to 15 curry leaves. Going to add some tomatoes, diced tomatoes, some peppercorns, add about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and once the other ingredients are fried and you're able to see the flavor which is coming out and it is about just cooked, and I'm going to add the grated coconut. This is ready now. I'm going to cool it down for about few minutes and using a home blender and making it as a wet paste. Now I made the wet paste of what we made earlier. Now this is going to be the base for the Vatha Kulambu, and kadai which is ready. Put some gingerly oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the ingredients one by one. As soon as I put onion, I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of salt. Some asafoetida, about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 of the spoon of chili powder, 1.5 spoon of coriander powder. Once this masala is cooked, then I'm going to add the tomato puree, which I made it earlier. And I have to cook this till the tomato loses its raw flavor. The tomato puree we added is cooked. You can see the oil is nicely separated. It is in a simmer. Now I'm going to add the tamarind pulp, which I made, and cook it to the similar consistency. So the tamarind pulp is been added now. And now I'm adding the paste we have made from stage 1. 150 ml or 2 ladle of water and cook it further. And I let it cook. Now you can see the oil is nicely got separated, and this is almost ready now. And hope you remember that I soaked the vathal, which is the turkey berry, for about an hour. And what I did is I squeezed the water out, and in a separate pan I used about 1 tablespoon of gingerly oil, and then after squeezing the water out I put the turkey berry or the vathal and then fried it for about a minute. And this now goes into the kulambu what we are making now. So I'm just putting it in. This is the final stage of it, and give a mix. This gives that unique flavor, little bitter, little strong, and tangy, and this just gives you the magic. This adds some magic to that particular dish. And I'm going to add a little bit of about 1 tablespoon of gingerly oil at the top for flavoring. Gingerly oil has naturally a great flavor. And give a mix. It's ready. I switch this off, and this goes very well for any rice, so especially the plain rice. And for my personal favorite is this is the great accompaniment for curd rice. If you haven't tried vatha kulambu with curd rice, please try this, and it has a higher shelf life, and you can leave it at least for about 3 days, 2 to 3 days outside, and if you refrigerate it, it will come for about a week's time. Hope you enjoy the video today. So thank you so much for watching, and please follow us in YouTube and Instagram, and please try this recipe at home and leave us a comment and like the video, share it with your friends. I look forward to see you on another day with another recipe. Thank you.